Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, children, yes, in our previous session, we had solved application worksheet 2.5, question 2, 3, 4, and 5. Today, we are going to solve application worksheet 2.6 and 2.7. Are you all ready? So, let's begin, children. Just give me a minute. I will share my screen. Okay, so application worksheet 2.6, page number 21. Please open this page number, everyone. Question 1. Nitya is eating an orange. Write the names of the parts in the correct sequence in which the orange will pass through a digestive system. The orange will pass through the following organs of digestive system of Nitya. First mouth, then it will enter through your food pipe, then it will enter into your stomach, and then into your small intestine, and then in large intestine. So this is how whenever you eat anything, it is going to enter your digestive system in this manner. Okay, children? Next question. Never ride your bike without the helmet. The policeman said, the policeman told Tarun. Why did he say so? So children, we all know that why we should always wear helmet. So it is going to protect our brain, which is one of the internal organ from serious injury during an accident. If you met with an accident, if you are wearing a helmet, it is going to protect your brain, right? That is the only reason. That's why we all should, whenever we all are driving, we all should wear helmet. It is for our safety purpose, right? Next question. What would happen if our heart stops functioning? They are trying to say that what will happen if our heart will not work? So we will die in case our heart stops functioning. So if your heart is not working, children, how it is going to pass the blood to other parts of the body? So in short, when heart is going to stop, your other things, other organs will also stop functioning. So person will die if heart stops functioning. Okay? Okay. Now children, urbanization. What do we mean by urbanization? Urbanization occurs mainly because people move from rural areas to urban areas. Rural areas means village, right? Villages. From there, they will move from those places to urban areas, means to towns and cities, right? This is going to result in growth in the size of urban population. So number of people in urban areas like in towns and cities, it is going to increase, right? Population is going to increase, so we need more land so that those people can occupy, they can also live over there. So that is the meaning of urbanization. Children, in villages also, you must have observed that before few years, many years back, there was no electricity. People, they were not getting electricity for many hours. They were not getting even proper supply of water. Even transport system was also not in good condition at that time. They were not having transport facilities, right? And even houses were also made up of mud and clay, right, children? So this was the scenario many years back. Now you must have observed the change in the villages also, that now electricity, they are getting electricity also, they are getting proper supply of water also. Even there also they are making houses, buildings, which were not seen before. So we will see urbanization in the villages also. And basically urbanization means it is also that people are going to move from the villages, from the rural areas to urban areas. Nowadays factories, industries, that is also their children. So people are getting jobs in the factories and industries. So that's why also people are moving from rural areas to urban areas. This is the meaning of urbanization. Okay. Now we will solve application worksheet 2.7, page number 22. Children, what you can observe in these two images, that this is a village in 1960 And there is a picture in the image they have shown village in 2010. So why is there a difference in the appearance of the atmosphere? Right now, as we all discussed, children, there is a difference in the appearance of the atmosphere due to urbanization of the village. So now the village has also developed. Yes, so that is the meaning of urbanization over here. What could have caused this difference? We all know that setting of industries, factories, and electricity power stations have caused these differences. It was not there before, but now villages have also developed. Right, children? So this is a difference between these two images. Next question. Question B. Rashi is bursting crackers on the road. Her father, who was standing nearby to her, is unable to breathe properly. What do you think has happened to his father? So, children, when we burst crackers, it causes what? Air pollution. Along with air pollution, it will also cause noise pollution. So, Rashi's father might have some respiratory problems. He faces problem in breathing. So that is why he was facing difficulty in breathing when he was standing nearby to her daughter. Right, children? I just stop sharing my screen, children. So children, what we have done today, we have solved worksheet 2.6. Along with that, we have also solved worksheet 2.7 and we had also discussed about urbanization. I hope whatever we have done today that is clear to you all. Thank you and have a nice day children. Bye. Bye.